For the past 50 years, General Carbide has not just survived, but thrived, thanks to our customers, associates, our founding values, and our community support. In 1968, we started with just 7 grades of tungsten carbide powders that we used to produce simple, unfinished blanks, mainly for the automotive industry fabricators. Today, we have over 60 grades of powders that are used to produce primarily high-end finished tooling for a variety of markets, including oil and gas, ammunition, metal stamping, and of course, automotive. We have over 250 team members spread across multiple locations, manufacturing and shipping our products all over the world. So, what is the secret to our success? How have we been able to thrive in a non-stop changing business environment? Well, we planned, we set goals, we executed, we invested heavily in our business, and we continued to build in downturns and recessions. But I believe the most important things we did was focus on excellence in everything we do and never lose sight of our family culture. We say that we run our business fiscally like a corporation, socially like a family, and morally toward our environment. Redefining possible is in our DNA.
At General Carbide, our sales and support group is second to none. Our team members have been in the carbide industry for the majority of their work history. This enables them to help you with any application that you may have, be it a grade recommendation, tooling geometry, or we could help you find the most economical solution for your application. Our team members are up for any challenge that you may have. Our tagline is redefining possible for a reason. Our customers and our potential customers call us to help us find solutions for their toughest problems. Call any one of our team members and you have found an expert and a friend. Redefining possible is in our DNA.
General Carbide was founded over 50 years ago by Primo J. Papafava. He created deep foundations of metallurgical integrity and technical innovation to deliver high-quality tungsten carbide products to our customers. We have never strayed from that dedication to excellence in our materials. After all, the most important thing in a tool is the exceptional performance of the working surface. Today, we continue to build on that legacy through our commitment to raw material purchasing, powder processing, and quality control. In General Carbide, we produce over 60 different grades of tungsten carbide powders. Our grades meet the highest standards and in many cases are tailored for specific applications. It makes me proud to know that our customers are able to translate our dedication into productivity gains and increased reliability in their production lines.
From shipping to engineering, we employ a skilled set of individuals dedicated to producing the best blanks money can buy. We continually invest in upgrading our machine tools, training our workforce, and looking for the most efficient manufacturing processes to employ.
The General Carbide team is truly dedicated to the development of new tungsten carbide grades and produce fully finished tools to serve and support our customers. Over our history, we have transformed our manufacturing process of producing simple preforms to now fully finished tools ready for service. We have invested in the very best state-of-the-art machines to efficiently produce the most reliable, longest-lasting tools on the market today and serve our customers' specific demands.
We are dedicated to excellence and innovation. Our team, from sales to shipping, has a great depth of experience, but don't think that we are stuck in old ways. We continually discuss and implement the latest in machine tools, processes, and quality systems. In fact, we currently have the largest selection of premium powders, the most sophisticated machine and machine tools, and the most talented team. Redefining possible is in our DNA. There you have it. From powder to polish, General Carbide has weaved into its production facilities and into its culture a spirit of excellence. As Sir Isaac Newton stated, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on ye shoulders of giants." Well, it is my father's brilliance, his dedication to excellence, and his high ethical standards, as well as his love of people, that built this deep foundation on which we all thrive today. We are excited that you decided to learn more about our company and our history. We know that once you work with us, you are going to want to stay and build a long-lasting relationship. We look forward to hearing from you and learning what we can do to help. Remember, redefining possible is in our DNA.